What if your phone could unfold twice and turn your pocket into a 10-inch workstation and a cinema screen at the same time? Today we're tearing into Samsung's wild new Galaxy Z TriFold, breaking down the design, the real productivity wins, battery and durability, and whether the price is actually defensible. I'll also flag the hidden caveats you won't see in glossy press shots, so if you're thinking about trading up to a multi-fold future, stay with me till the end. Samsung pushed a lot of engineering into this thing. 2 different sized dual-rail hinges, a titanium housing, advanced armor aluminum, and a reinforced display overcoat all point to a device built to survive the stress of 2 folds. It's astonishing they got a 10-inch display into something that can still slip into a pocket and sit at about 3.9 millimeters at the thinnest point. But practicality matters. The inward folding protects the main screen, and the auto alert for incorrect folding is smart. The finish and materials feel premium, but the trade-off is complexity. More hinges means more moving parts to fail over time, and repairability will be expensive, even with Samsung's one-time display repair discount. Under the hood, Samsung uses a customized Snapdragon 8 Elite tuned for Galaxy, which should keep performance buttery across apps and AI features. The 3-cell 5,600 mAh battery is designed to spread power across panels for balanced endurance, and 45-watt charging puts it back in the fast lane. Combine that with up to 200 megapixel imaging and vision booster brightness numbers, and you've got a phone that aims to compete with tablets in raw capability. Expect desktop-grade multitasking, but also expect software to be the deciding factor. Hardware enables multitasking, but the OS and app optimization decide whether 3 app windows side by side is actually useful or just visually impressive. This is where the TriFold could be transformative. A 10-inch canvas that behaves like 3 6.5-inch phones makes multi-window workflows genuinely practical. Architects, editors, and power users can run multiple portrait apps concurrently without losing context. Samsung DeX running standalone on the device is a huge deal because it removes the need for a laptop to get a desktop-like experience. Dragging files between windows, adding a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, or extending to an external monitor turns this into a pocketable workstation. The Galaxy AI integrations like Photo Assist and Gemini Live feel purpose-built for a bigger surface where context matters. Official numbers promise impressive screen brightness and solid battery life, but real-world usage of 3 active panels plus heavy AI features will be the acid test. TriFold's thermal design must balance sustained performance and comfort, and Samsung's restructured internals suggest they know that. Still, the biggest unknowns are long-term hinge durability and display resilience under repeated stress. That one-time 50% display repair discount helps, but repairs will still be costly. If you plan to keep a phone for several years, factor in potential maintenance costs. If you are a power professional who values screen real estate and portability over price, the TriFold could be a game changer. Creators, multitaskers, and anyone who needs a pocketable workstation should be seriously interested. For most people, though, the price and the added complexity will feel like overkill. If my price guess lands near $27.99, this is a premium niche device that carriers will subsidize to make monthly payments palatable. My advice: go hands-on in a store, test real multitasking, and imagine your day with 3 apps open all the time. If that fits your workflow, this may be the next mobile revolution. If not, the Galaxy Z Fold lineup still gives most people the benefits of folding without the extra hinge. Which feature would get you to upgrade? Standalone DeX, the huge 10-inch display, or just sheer novelty? Drop a comment. I read them all. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for full review when arrive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next deep dive.